Assalamualaikum. I have decided to come back to YouTube after 9 to 10 months because I have to make a video about this topic which has been highly requested question on my Twitter and also my Instagram. First of all, I want to make a disclaimer that I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a chemist, I'm just a person who loves to Google and share everything that I read online. I just got back from my class, so I decided just to post a video and to record myself from my phone and post it on YouTube because I feel like after this I have another class, so I have to keep going. So today's topic, I will be talking about type of acne scar and how to treat acne scars. So there are two types of scar. First of all is post-inflammatory erythema (PIE) and also post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation (PIH). When it comes to post-inflammatory erythema (PIE), PIE ni di jenis parut jerawat yang jenis yang merah-merah that usually affect people with light or fair skin tones. For me, PIE ni bila I baca pasal PIE dekat skincare website and etc., the most efficient treatment when it comes to PIE is laser treatment. So bila I tengok laser treatment, alamak. So tapi bila I scroll bawah sikit dia cakap, but worry not, there are ingredients that can help to treat PIE, post-inflammatory erythema. PIE ni terjadi because of broken capillaries underneath the skin. Dia terjadi bila kita pick our pimples, bila kita expose our skin to sun exposure, or bila kita use harsh chemical exfoliant or chemical burns. I am so confident to tell you guys about this one ingredient that has been approved by all skincare website, which is vitamin C. Rini Roller approved vitamin C. Chemist Confession talks about vitamin C. Simple Skincare also explain about vitamin C when it comes to PIE. Kalau from skincare website The Kellogg, dia ada tunjuk macam mana orang di treat PIE dia tu guna vitamin C. And it was so exciting bila tengok macam mana dia punya parut jerawat merah-merah tu macam makin berkurang over the days. So when it comes to vitamin C ni pula macam ada banyak jenis. So the gold standard vitamin C LAA, which is the L-ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid ni dia very potent and highly unstable. Maksudnya bila kita pakailah ascorbic acid ni, kita ada chances dia akan irritate kulit kita. Dia akan rasa macam mencucuk sikit. Dia ada tingly sensation. So sebab tu ascorbic acid ni, vitamin C ni, I don't recommend you guys to go with content ascorbic acid if you guys don't have a solid skincare routine. Maksud solid skincare routine ni, bila you guys dah pakai cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen and you guys tak breakout dah. Kalau you still trial and error untuk cari the perfect product, I don't recommend you guys to go with vitamin C. Sebab vitamin C ni dia accelerate your skin cell turnover. Bila dia accelerate your skin cell turnover, dia akan buat your skin to purge. Maksud skin to purge ni maksudnya your skin akan naik jerawat sebab dia speed up your skin cell turnover. So when it comes to vitamin C, ascorbic acid, I will recommend you guys to use it kalau you guys memang dah ada solid skincare routine. Kalau you guys betul-betul lah nak try vitamin C, ascorbic acid, I will recommend you guys to start with lower percentage. Example of my recommendation when it comes to vitamin C is Cosrx Triple Lightening Serum tu, Klairs Vitamin C, Thiam Vitamin C juga. For me, you can start with Klairs sebab the percentage of ascorbic acid is 5%. Kalau Thiam tu percentage dia adalah 20.5% and kalau Cosrx is 20% kalau tak silap I. Vitamin C ni dia banyak macam dia punya benefits. Contohnya dia adalah antioxidant, dia brightening ingredients, dia fight free radical, dia promote collagen production. So vitamin C ni memang a very famous ingredients when it comes to skincare ingredients lah. If you guys still want to try vitamin C but you guys tak nak try ascorbic acid sebab takut irritate kulit or rasa macam mencucuk, you guys can try vitamin C derivative. Vitamin C derivative ni they are usually more stable and less potent than the gold standard LAA ascorbic acid. Contoh vitamin C derivative is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, ascorbyl glucoside, ascorbyl palmitate. When it comes to macam magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, dia adalah water soluble vitamin C. My recommendation when it comes to magnesium ascorbyl phosphate punya product is The Ordinary. The Ordinary ni best sebab dia ada macam ingredients yang kita nak terus kat satu produk tu tau. So dia macam banyak ingredients yang kita nak, kita boleh cari dari The Ordinary punya produk. Or you guys can try the Hada Labo Whitening Essence sebab dia pun ada MAP, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. Untuk recommendation of product for ascorbic palmitate or ascorbic glucoside, you guys boleh search atau tengok dekat the ordinary product. But dia ada macam one ingredient terus. Vitamin C derivative, they still offer the same like ascorbic acid. They offer brighten ingredient, they stimulate collagen production. Tapi vitamin C derivative ni dia macam water soluble vitamin C, they less content and more stable compared to ascorbic acid, and they are usually more gentle to our skin types. So the next card yang I akan cakap is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation ni terjadi because of excess production of melanin underneath the skin. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation ni jenis parut jerawat yang gelap-gelap, jenis yang usually affect people with darker skin tone. Dia jenis brownish scars tau. So if your skin concern is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, you can also use vitamin C because vitamin C ni pun brightening ingredients. Dia boleh treat PIE and also PIH. So the next ingredients to treat PIH is arbutin. Function arbutin ni, dia inhibits or prevent the melanin production. My recommendation of product when it comes to arbutin, of course the ordinary alpha arbutin, and the next product will be Hada Labo Whitening Essence. Hada Labo Whitening Essence ni dia ada dua. Dia ada MAP, magnesium ascorbic phosphate, vitamin C derivative, and also dia pun ada arbutin. So the next ingredients that you can use to treat post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is vitamin B3 niacinamide. Niacinamide ni function dia untuk dia slow down the transfer of melanin production to cells tau. So my recommendation of product when it comes to niacinamide is the ordinary niacinamide plus zinc, and also dekat drugstore ada satu ampule, kalau tak silap nama dia adalah Lost and Found vitamin ampule. Dia pun ada niacinamide. So I think a lot of people know about this niacinamide ni sebab dia very famous ingredients juga. Dia pun one of brightening ingredients. So when it comes to parut jerawat yang gelap-gelap, yang macam post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation ni, always look for brightening ingredients. Tak semestinya arbutin, niacinamide, dia ada banyak lagi brightening ingredients. Contohnya macam licorice extract, mulberry extract, lepas tu dia ada tranexamic acid, lepas tu ada yeast fermentation, galactomyces and etc. Contoh, if you guys nak try pakai vitamin C punya serum ke, niacinamide punya serum ke, or arbutin punya serum, kita start pakai dengan cleanser, lepas tu kalau nak add toner, lepas tu baru kita pakai serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. So serum tu in between cleanser and moisturizer or toner and moisturizer. So in between that. So another recommendation when it comes to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is by using alpha hydroxy acid, AHA. AHA ni dia sejenis chemical exfoliant, dia exfoliate your dead skin cell. AHA ni ada banyak jenis tau. Dia ada malic acid, mandelic acid, citric acid, glycolic acid. So banyak sangat type of AHA. My recommendation, if you guys want to try AHA, always start with mandelic acid. Mandelic acid ni dia sebenarnya dia ada bigger molecule, so the chances to irritate your skin tu very low lah. Kalau kita baca dekat Chemist Confession, dia ada tunjuk satu gambar tau. Dia start with mandelic acid, lactic acid and glycolic acid. Glycolic acid ni dia ada the smallest molecule, sebab tu dia macam irritate sikit kulit kita. Dia rasa macam menyengat sikit, macam mencucuk sikit. Sebab tu orang tak suka sangat glycolic, sebab dia rasa macam pedih sikit. So if you are a beginner to AHA, always start with mandelic acid. Start with mandelic acid, lepas tu lactic acid, and baru kita try glycolic acid. My recommendation of product when it comes to mandelic acid is the Wishtrend 5% prep water tu, dia ada mandelic acid dalam dia 5%, and also you can also try the ordinary mandelic acid. Tak silap I, dia punya percentage is 10%. So if you guys dah try mandelic acid, you guys boleh try lactic acid pula. Lactic acid ni very moisturizing tau. So tak silap I, produk yang ada lactic acid is the ordinary juga, tapi dia ada 5% and 10% punya lactic acid. Lepas tu baru kita boleh move to glycolic acid. Glycolic acid ni kalau you guys nak juga try, tak nak guna mandelic ke lactic ke, you guys boleh start with lower percentage. My recommendation of product when it comes to glycolic acid is the PC Glow Tonic, AHA COSRX 7 YH2, and also the ordinary glycolic acid. Yang PC Glow Tonic tu dia ada 5% of glycolic acid. Yang the ordinary glycolic acid tu dia ada 7%. So always start with lower percentage supaya you guys boleh build up your skin tolerance to nak adapt untuk acid tu tau. The most important thing to treat your PIH ke, PIE ke, erythema ke, hyperpigmentation ke, to always use sunscreen. Sebab I tak boleh nak tekankan betapa importantnya sunscreen when it comes to scars ni tau. Satu contoh contohnya I pakai satu brightening ingredients which is niacinamide. Function niacinamide ni is to slow down the melanin production. Lepas tu kalau I tak pakai sunscreen, I expose my skin to sun exposure, so lagi banyak production of melanin. So I rasa macam niacinamide tu macam pening tau. Dia dah nak tolong kita slow down the transfer of melanin, tapi kita duk bagi, so dia rasa macam pening. So I rasa it's no use if you guys pakai brightening ingredients ke apa-apa ke kalau you guys tak pakai sunscreen. Sama juga if you guys try pakai arbutin. Arbutin ni dia nak prevent, dia inhibit the melanin production tau. Tapi kalau kita keep expose our skin to sun exposure, dia keep producing, so arbutin pun jadi pelik. Dia nak try to prevent tapi kita keep producing melanin production. That's why it's really important for you guys to wear sunscreen. Tak kisahlah to treat PIE ke PIH ke, always wear sunscreen. All skincare website dia stress up betapa pentingnya pakai sunscreen. Unirulo ke, The Kellogg ke, Chemist Confession ke, semua cakap pasal pentingnya to protect our skin from sun exposure. So sebab tak ada guna tau kalau kita pakai semua brightening ingredients ke, hydration ke, apa ke, tapi kalau kita tak pakai sunscreen. Always pakai sunscreen. So I hope my video sedikit sebanyak boleh explain to you guys about the two type of scar, post-inflammatory erythema and also post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So I guess that's all for my today's video. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.